first step is to download the latest versions of the Peer Management Center and Peer Agent installers. Now, I've already downloaded a copy to my desktop for convenience, but if you need a copy, you'll find a link to this in the email you received with your license. If you can't find that, or you'd like a trial copy, reach out to the Peer Software office for your region. You can find details of our regional offices at peersoftware.com/contact. Now, very important before installing on any nodes in a cluster is that you need to correctly rename the installer files. Add _cluster to the end of the file name so that during the installation, the installer knows to install the cluster-aware version of the Peer Management Center and Peer Agent. Let's do that now. First, let's rename the Peer Management Center installer. Now let's make a copy of the Peer Agent installer and rename one of them so that we have a version that we can install on cluster nodes and another for non-clustered or standalone Windows servers. I'll also copy the cluster-aware Peer Management Center installer to the other node in my Peer Management Center cluster. If you have more than 2 nodes in your cluster, put a copy on each. Good, and now I'll copy the cluster-aware Peer Agent to both of the nodes in my Peer Agent cluster. Good. With the installers ready, in the next video we'll make a backup of the current Peer Management Center configuration just to err on the side of caution before we actually do the upgrade.